New York, one of 3 international stops for the Gates of Edgehill stunning investment property showcase for Jamaican resort-style living. Featuring famed hockey dad Carl Subban and hosted by the Caribbean King of Comedy, Oliver Samuels, was held at the historic Anthems of Queens Village, known for its beautiful facilities and high-quality event planning and event catering services. The Gates of Edgehill is a mid-luxury housing development designed to give the Jamaican diaspora community a way to come back home in style. Whether as a permanent home or a vacation home, the Gates of Edgehill presents a wonderful opportunity to enjoy life to the fullest while giving back to the community of St. Mary.
All Kingstonians in the house tonight. You are here, I am sure, because you want to experience some good country living at the Gates of Edgehill. That's the only place right now you can come for real, lovely, luxurious living at affordable cost.
These developers, right, have built some exciting, wonderful houses in Jamaica, in my parish, St. Mary. And let me tell you something now, Jamaica is on the verge of being the place to be. That piece of rock, if us as a people, as sons and daughters, and friends of sons and daughters of Jamaica, don't try and own a little piece, right? Well, them a miss a wonderful opportunity. And, you know, I am recommending that all Jamaicans outside and them friends try hold on to a piece of the rock.
I think it's important, to try to get, Jamaican nationals to come back home to buy property in Jamaica.
Well, something that I've noticed personally is that Jamaicans are extremely patriotic, extremely loyal, and it's owning their piece of the rock. And with that, the owner of the development is truly passionate about Jamaica. He's been traveling to Jamaica for over 30 years. He believes in its culture and he wanted to be able to be a part of it. He's a true believer in community and wanting to establish a real sense of community in Mango Valley at the Gates of Edgehill. And that's his legacy that he'd like to live. And through that, he believes in the future of Jamaica is through its children, and that's where the Boscoville Infant School comes, is educating children.
JAMPRO and by extension the government is keen to increase the mix of accommodation for both residential and the vacation sectors. You who are here this evening should consider this as a passive way of investing in Jamaica with the opportunity to realize real return.
We have what we call Edgehill Homes is affordable luxury. So it's affordable luxury in a resort style community.
And this is in St. Mary?
It's in St. Mary, so it's about 10, maximum 15 minutes outside of Ocherius. It is kind of just before you get to Boscoville.
Okay.
Right, and it's slightly up on the hill, so you get a good view of the ocean when you're up there, yeah.
Over the last 7 years, over 20 million visitors have come to Jamaica to enjoy our beautiful island, our wonderful cuisine, our warm, friendly people, and all the beauty that the destination has to offer. Our high repeat visitor rate goes to show you the guest satisfaction when our visitors come to our beautiful destination. And so this is a great opportunity to invite you to actually own a piece of that rock.
I'm 60 years old, I'm ready to go back to Jamaica, and I'm ready to give back. So I went back, visited the site, and I saw it. What did I see? I saw the site, I saw the model homes. Okay, I fell in love with Diana and Elizabeth. Okay, the two models, they're great. Okay, I saw the school. I saw the school, that's a big part of the community. I want to give back. By purchasing a home in that community, You're helping to shape the future of Jamaica.
Oh, we did it.
Yes.
What's the inspiration behind this book?
Well, you know, I landed in Canada at 12 years old, and I fell in love with ice hockey. And Jamaicans know hockey, okay? You know, hockey grows in trees in Jamaica. Hockey grows on ice in Canada. You know, in Jamaica we eat it, in Canada we play it. But you know, 3 of my sons were drafted and signed by National Hockey League teams in Canada, and it's also in the United States. My youngest son plays for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Is signed with them. My second son plays with the Las Vegas Golden Knights of the NHL, and my eldest son plays for the Nashville Predators of the NHL, PK Subban. So people want to know, because we don't look like the average hockey fan or family. They want to know about how we did it.
Here is a great opportunity for you to grab hold of a piece of that land which is rightfully yours. So, me can't tell you no more, me I try to convince you to come here and tell you something. When you come to the next 5 years, we're not going to say, Lord, it's me here, all of us say, no, I'm going to sit down pretty. They talk about the Airbnb, opportunity right there in the midst of Edgehill.
Come chat with me.